In this video, I'll show you how to fix Instagram share list order change problem on Android or iPhone. So if you found that the Instagram share list name not showing, or it's showing the unexpected names that you actually don't know about, then here is how you can fix the problem. But before that, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because this really helps me out. Well, to not fix the problem, the very first thing that you have to do, simply go and open up the App Store, or if you're using Android phone, then open up the Play Store and then search for Instagram here. And go and tap on Instagram, and then from the list, go and tap on Instagram, and if you find any pending update, go ahead and update your Instagram application to the latest version. And once you have updated the Instagram application, just get back from here and see if that fixes your problem or not. If you found that you still have the problem, then the very next thing that you can do, you can delete the Instagram application from your Android phone or iPhone. You can press and hold that one, and you can actually tap on remove app, and you can tap on delete or uninstall button in order to delete the application and reinstall it from the App Store or Play Store once again. And log into your account, and most likely this will fix your problem. But let's say you did everything but you still have the same problem, then here's the last thing that you guys can do. Open up the Instagram app from your device, and from the Instagram homepage, go ahead and tap on this profile icon at the bottom right, and then tap on this three dot line at the top right. And then scroll down to the very bottom here and tap on help, and then go and tap on report a problem. And then go back and shake your phone, and then go and tap on report a problem here. And now you just go ahead and tap on include and continue from here, and then explain your problem first. And once you have typed in your problem, you can take a screenshot previously, and you can upload by tapping on the upload button here. You can actually upload the screenshot and then tap on the send button. This will send the report, and the Instagram team will reply as soon as possible, and most likely a problem is going to be solved. Hope you find it very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to this channel. Or if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section below. I'll see you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.